Harley Davidson engines. From iconic cruisers to sport bikes, Harley engines power some of the most legendary bikes. But not all are built to last. Some will take you far, while others might leave you stranded. In this video, we break down the 3 worst and 4 best Harley engines based on real rider feedback and mechanic insights. Find out which ones to ride with confidence and which ones to avoid. The Harley Davidson twin-cam 88 engine, found in many Harleys from 1999 to 2006, gets a bad rap for a reason. It's prone to timing chain tensioner failure. What should have been a reliable, smooth ride often turned into a nightmare for riders, especially those who rode long distances. The timing chain tensioner was designed to maintain the proper tension on the chain, but it failed prematurely in many cases, causing loud, unpleasant noises at idle and throughout riding. If not addressed, the tensioner failure led to engine damage, as the timing chain could slip or even break, potentially ruining the engine over time. Fixing this issue isn't cheap. Replacing the tensioner typically requires a full engine teardown and can cost a significant amount. Unfortunately, the twin-cam 88 also had a history of oil leaks and excessive heat buildup, both of which contributed to its poor reputation. Many riders found themselves battling oil consumption issues with the engine running too hot, especially in stop-and-go traffic or during long highway rides. While the twin-cam 88 was still a workhorse engine for Harley enthusiasts, the ongoing issues made it more of a liability than an asset for long-term ownership. The Harley Davidson Evo 1340, while a classic, is often remembered for the constant vibrations that gave riders more than a bit of discomfort. This engine is a legend, but not for the right reasons. The crankshaft was prone to loosening or developing issues with the bottom end, causing major problems that led to expensive engine rebuilds in many cases. The vibrations, especially at higher RPMs, were not only uncomfortable, but contributed to the premature wear of engine components. Riders who took their bikes on longer rides or longer distances also complained about oil consumption and overheating issues. The Evo 1340, known for its air-cooled design, struggled with heat dissipation, particularly during hot weather or extended highway runs. This issue caused the engine to run hot, which led to increased oil consumption and potential long-term damage. While the Evo 1340 still has a loyal following, with many riders appreciating its character and torque, the engine's inherent flaws made it a tough choice for long-term reliability. If you find one for a good price, make sure to inspect the engine carefully for signs of internal wear and tear, particularly in the crankshaft and bottom end, before committing to a purchase. The Harley Shovelhead is an iconic engine, but let's not sugarcoat it. It leaks oil like a sieve. Whether it's the rocker boxes, pushrod seals, or head gasket issues, the Shovelhead's engine was notorious for needing constant upkeep. Over the years, as these engines aged, they often required frequent tinkering to maintain oil levels and avoid expensive repairs. The Shovelhead's internal seals and gaskets were prone to failure, leading to persistent oil leaks that frustrated many owners and mechanics alike. Riders also reported ignition issues, which could leave them stranded on the road. These issues often stemmed from the Shovelhead's primitive electrical system and its inability to cope with the vibrations produced by the engine. While some owners could live with these quirks, frequent ignition coil failures and the potential for timing adjustments made this engine less reliable for everyday use. Despite these challenges, the Shovelhead still has a loyal following, adored by collectors and Harley enthusiasts who appreciate its historic significance. However, for daily riders, the constant maintenance and high likelihood of breakdowns make it less than ideal. If you're considering one, be prepared for ongoing work to keep it running. Now that I helped save you time and money from all of the bad engines, feel free to subscribe. The Milwaukee-Eight 107 is one of Harley's best modern engines. Known for its smooth power delivery, improved heat management, and reliability, this engine is found in newer models like the Street Glide and Road King. The M8 is a significant leap forward from the earlier twin-cam engines, providing riders with a much more refined and enjoyable experience. One of the standout features of the M8 is its low-end torque, which makes it ideal for cruising at low RPM without feeling underpowered. Vibration is notably reduced compared to previous engines, thanks to the use of a counterbalancer and a smoother internal design. This makes long-distance riding much more comfortable, with riders reporting less fatigue over extended trips. Moreover, heat management has been significantly improved in the Milwaukee-Eight. Riders no longer have to endure the excessive engine heat that plagued older models, particularly in traffic or on long rides. With proper maintenance, the M8 has proven to be an extremely durable engine capable of 100,000 plus miles without major issues. It's a reliable workhorse that offers both performance and comfort, making it a top choice for modern Harley riders. The Evolution 80 cubic inch engine is one of Harley's most reliable engines, particularly during the years of 1984 to 2000. Famous for its durability, minimal vibration, and impressive longevity, the Evo engine marked a huge turning point for the company, both in terms of performance and reliability. This engine was a major improvement over its predecessor, the Shovelhead, addressing many of the reliability issues that had plagued Harley Davidson bikes for years. Riders who own Evo-powered Harleys often report zero major issues with regular maintenance. Thanks to its more refined design, it was less prone to oil leaks and overheating, common issues with earlier Harley engines. Many Evo engines have been known to surpass 80,000 miles with only routine care like oil changes, valve checks, and clutch adjustments. This level of reliability is rare in the motorcycle world, especially in bikes that see heavy use. The Evo engine also provided a solid power band with smoother acceleration, making it a joy for long rides and everyday cruising. Its solid reputation has led to the Evo 80 cubic inch becoming a sought-after engine for both collectors and everyday riders. If you find one in good condition, you're looking at a well-built, dependable engine that will keep you on the road for years. The Harley Panhead is a classic, and while it might not be the go-to for daily riders, it is still considered one of the best Harley engines ever built. First introduced in 1948, the Panhead engine was a significant improvement over previous designs, offering solid performance for its time and proving relatively easy to maintain. Unlike earlier Harley engines, the Panhead featured aluminum heads and an updated valve system which reduced weight and improved efficiency. Despite its age, the Panhead earned a reputation for being far more reliable than its predecessors, with many owners praising its smooth power delivery and toughness. While oil leaks and occasional maintenance issues were common due to its age, these issues were more about wear and tear than inherent flaws in design. The Panhead has earned a special place in Harley history. It is a favorite among vintage motorcycle collectors who appreciate its historical significance and iconic status. For enthusiasts, a well-maintained Panhead can still be a reliable and timeless engine. If you find one in good working order, it's more than just a bike. It's a piece of motorcycling history that continues to turn heads and perform admirably on the road. Comment which one you're thinking about getting. Lastly, the twin-cam 103 engine, an upgrade from the 88, was designed to deliver more torque and power while providing smoother rides, especially on longer cruises. Introduced in 2011, the twin-cam 103 quickly became a favorite among Harley riders for its refined performance and durability. It's a fantastic engine for long-distance riders and those who want to take their Harley on extended road trips. With a 1690 cubic centimeter V-twin engine, it offers impressive low-end torque, making highway cruising effortless while providing the power needed for passing and tackling hilly terrain. The fuel-injected system of the twin-cam 103 allows for better fuel economy, reducing the need for constant fueling stops on long journeys. Heat management has been vastly improved compared to older engines, addressing the notorious overheating issues that plagued earlier Harley models. This makes the twin-cam 103 more comfortable for extended rides, even in warm weather. As for maintenance, the twin-cam 103 is relatively low maintenance, with most owners reporting that basic upkeep, such as regular oil changes and valve adjustments, can keep it running smoothly well beyond 100,000 miles. Whether you're a daily commuter or weekend warrior, the twin-cam 103 offers the perfect balance of reliability, performance, and comfort. The reality is clear: no engine is perfect, but Harley Davidson's best designs have stood the test of time, cruising across roads and highways for decades. For today's riders, reliability, owner experiences, and proper maintenance are key to smart ownership. Harley's legacy proves one thing: when you choose wisely, you're not just buying a bike, you're investing in an engine that's built to last.